In the previous schedule template module, I showed you how you can create a template in Word and copy and paste that text over each time into the schedule window. This time we're going to have a look at how to use the finesse option of schedule template. Now, by changing into the schedule template area under the Bill To Invoice, you'll see a number of master templates. These are templates that have been created for you where you can use the text. Now, the items that don't have ticks against it are items that have been created by this person that I'm logged on as. And I'll take you through the steps of how to put an entry into here, a schedule template in here, and then how to use it quickly and easily in your schedule window. The advantage of this method is that you stay within finesse. You don't have to go out to Word and locate the schedule template. So to create a schedule template, you come up to the Tools menu and go into User Preferences. Click onto the schedule template link, and there's the listing of the master ones, and further down you would see the ones that have been created. But I'd like to do a new schedule template, and you're given square brackets, an open and a closed square brackets. The text that goes between these square brackets is what we refer to as a tag. Now I'm going to create a schedule template for some text on business interruption. So I'm going to call it BI inside the square brackets, tab across inside the schedule text. Now I already do have the document created in Word so that I can just quickly copy it and paste it in, but what you could do now is come into Word, type up the text that you want to copy across into your schedule template. So I've done a Control A, which highlights everything, and as we talked about before, Control C to copy, or you can use your right click if you really had to. So what I'll get you to do then is come down into Finesse at the bottom of the screen and return to Finesse, and then, as we know, Control V is the paste. And that's as simple as it is. We've now created our own tag with that text that we've copied and pasted from Word. So it's going to be within Finesse now forever. I'll return to the invoice that I was working on, and I want to pick up that text that I've just created. So I move into Schedule Templates under Bill To Invoice, and I can see then the tag that I had created. I've highlighted that tag in yellow. Click onto the Add Tags button and then return to my Bill To Invoice, where I can see the tag has been created, and if I click onto the pop-up button for the window, you can then see all the text that was in that Word document has been copied over. But as you know, the text being inside of that document is not the best because I can't change anything. I can click and I can't type into it at all. What I can do in here though is once again highlight and copy all this text. Return to the invoice schedule window, highlight the tag because I don't need that anymore, and I'm going to right click and choose paste to paste the text from the example schedule window into this window, which, as you know, is the area that we can go in and make some adjustments to it. So the idea for this schedule template is that you keep the text within Finesse, and you can just very simply bring up the text by adding the tag. Text goes into the example schedule area at the bottom, highlight it and move it into the invoice schedule, so then you can then alter it as you require.